Good morning, good morning. Today I cook Lelut in Kapampangan, congee in English. It is a congee chicken. So here's my food for today. So congee, and then you pour it like this. Okay, and then you have to mix it like that. This is congee because I have something, it's aching, so I don't eat hard food but soft one. Just like this. It cooks perfectly. The chicken and the rice. Thank you. My Lelut congee. Look at this. Look at that. Delicious. Hot. Good for winter. Look, I almost finished my Lelut, my congee. Manya manya. Delicious, yeah. Look at this. Delicious, yummy. It melts everything in your mouth. Look at that. Finish. So this congee or Lelut, it is sauteed, as I have said, long time sauteing. So sauteing is oil, garlic, onion, ginger. Those are the main ingredients of this Lelut or congee, and they boil it with the chicken. So thank you for watching for my video, and as I've said, man don't live on bread alone but also from the word of God. This food filling belly, feeling happy for the family to be healthy. After this, I have my banana. Okay, thank you. Share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless. My delicious congee or Lelut in my kitchen. Savory, delicious. It melts in your mouth. Talagang masarap, manya-manya ini.